Today we go to the Killers. We drive from Mount Maunganui to Auckland, and we're gonna stay at an Airbnb, and this is our adventure.
Make sure you put it up. Pillows for your super comfort.
Hi.
Okay, so do we have everything? What do we need? Wine?
We have that. Food. Clothes,
cider.
7 outfit changes. 2 pairs of shoes.
We're only there for like a day and a half.
17 outfit changes.
I'm just gonna follow you around and keep asking you. What else do we need?
Ourselves. I wanna be comfy in the bed.
You have all the room for the stuffs.
Okay.
Right? You have all the room for the things and stuff. We're just talking about who's a better driver, Jessica or myself. I drive like a grandmother. And Jess drives like a race car driver. So who's the better driver?
You totally do. Yeah, but I get done things quickly.
I get done things quickly. Okay.
I get done things quickly. Yuck.
How long is this trip?
2.5 hours.
2.5. Okay, so it's 2.5 hour trip. We are staying at an Airbnb in the city. We haven't had a lot of sleep, so we're kind of tired. But the connection cord for the drone that goes in the connection the connection cord that goes into the drone the drone is broken. So I'm gonna be Son's drone. There's Vaughn.
Drone.
Because I'll just bring this camera. That's about it. So.
In case there's some crying.
Oh, thanks, Vaughn.
In case there's some crying. Sounds like a me thing.
Are you a little tired there, Nug?
I'm so tired. I'm gonna take a nap, dizzle when we check in, and I'm gonna be good to go.
Can you just make sure that that side gate is closed when you're finished? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Stop. Mata Lions Club project.
Every part the light touches.
Loud rap music. What else is new? All right, we have just arrived, and we are at, what is it, 3:30 in the afternoon at our Airbnb. This is kind of what it looks like. It's pretty nice. We got a little balcony, bedroom. I'm I think about ready for a cider, yeah?
I think so.
Jordan now has a ticket to go to the show.
Oh, he does?
So he's going to the show. So they're gonna call me and we might meet up with them later as well. Jordan, we work with. I do have a lighter, yeah. Okay, cool. So we'll check back in a second at the bar. Peace. All right, we're having a couple of wines before the night begins. Listen to some music. We've listened to the Killers a little bit, so I've decided to change it up a little bit. But this is gonna be a good show tonight. Now, I can't bring my better camera, the one that I'm filming on right now, so I have to bring my GoPro. There's no cameras allowed in the venue, so. What y'all doing down there?
Washing my earrings.
Are you washing your earrings?
I'm changing my naps so I can wear the ones that you bought me when we were in
Ah.
in Bali or in Thailand. I love this song.
This is Jess and I's favorite song. You could go ahead and say that, hey? I know it's a pretty big statement, but it's great. Sun's just going down. It's 6 o'clock. We're gonna go. Jess has got the tickets. Jess, you have your passport? Beauty. She's a beauty. She's a beauty. A very big beauty. All right, we are headed to Spark Arena to go see the Killers. We're here with Jordan. Hello. And James. It's the 3 J's.
And Vaughn.
And Vaughn. All right, we are going into the Killers right now, and yeah, I don't know if I'm allowed to move my camera, so I'm gonna shut it off right away. They say lifts here, lifts. Sans elevator, if you know what I'm saying. Not a lot of elevators, but just lifts. So we're gonna find our seats, right, guys?
Oh, bathroom, perfect.
We're gonna find our seats.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Nobody wants to see the opener.
Nobody wants to see the opener. The openers.
Wait, I'm sus.
The opener's not as, yeah. So anyways, we're gonna, I think, go have a drink before the Killers get on.
I know what you're asking.
4 apple ciders. Vaughn has done some bubbly.
I've got a little cheeky prosecco.
Some cheeky prosecco.
Just a little cheeky prosecco and a couple of apple ciders. I very much like where this night's going. We haven't even seen the Killers yet. Smile like you mean it.
Whose Killer is that?
Here we go.
Yeah, it's like all these dads.
What do you think about this arena?
It's amazing. It's pretty small compared to Canada arenas for the hockey and stuff.
Yeah, it looks like we're in a hockey arena, to be honest with you.
But it's like a miniature size hockey arena.
Pacific Ocean. Come down here, cross the equator, make our way into Auckland, and not play Jenny was a friend of mine. Because it wouldn't be right.
you feeling?
100%.
Did you have fun at the Killers last night?
Oh yeah.
We were here, what, in Devonport, right? Devonport, Auckland, New Zealand. We had tons of fun at the Killers last night. Quite full on, and it was very entertaining, so a little slow today though. Do you think the weather is the way it is because New Zealand isn't very well protected by like large mountain ranges, and so the wind comes in and really blows the clouds around and everything?
Yeah, maybe that makes sense.
Yeah, because it's the weather here is so temperamental. It's crazy.
How we swimming today. There's the shore. What are you going to do? Send your kid out?
No taking on water. The boat is overturned.
All right, we're headed to Mount Victoria. It is a mount that overlooks. There's a lot of mounts here, hey? The highest non-active volcano in Auckland?
Yes, just in Auckland. We've got lots bigger ones than this guy, but...
How many volcanoes in Auckland?
Oh, thousands. We're on the land of volcanoes. That's why we shake and erupt all the time.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah.
So...
You wait till you go to... Sorry to interrupt, but wait till you go to Rota Vegas, which is Rotorua, and it's just all volcanoes because the mud bubbles constantly.
Right, because the crust is so thin here, yeah? Or something like that?
No, it just is a lot of... lot of hills.
A lot of hills. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna go to Mount Victoria. We're gonna overlook Auckland, and then we're going to a place called, I think is Burger Fuel only New Zealand?
Yes.
So it's a New Zealand burger chain that's amazing. So we're gonna go there for lunch afterwards. Okay, sweet. So the Killers was awesome last night. They did an awesome job. What's his name? Brandon Flowers, the lead singer.
Yeah.
He is quite an entertainer, and the drummer as well. The drummer was awesome. Super talented guy. So anyways, we're just walking up the path here, and some of these houses are really cool. They're like very colonial, old school houses that clearly have a lot of past and history. So yeah, awesome. Started raining, so we've taken cover in one of the bunkers. We're gonna wait a little bit, and then we're gonna go find Vaughn and go get some lunch. Coca-Cola in a glass. So this is a doofer. Okay? So what you do is you put this in a little slot. Like that. And one like this. And then when you get your burger, you put it in there and you eat it like this. A doofer. You learn something new every day. I didn't even know there was such a thing.
This doesn't even fit in this doofer. I don't want to be eating on this thing.
All right, the hamburgini.
You should compare it to mine. So big.
How is it, babe?
It's good.
All right, on to the next burger. It's got guacamole there. And I'm using my doofer. You can hold it with one hand.